Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in online on Swiss Air. First, open Google and search Swiss Air. Go to the official Swiss Airlines website, then look for the check-in option and tap Online Check-in. You'll be taken to the online check-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your booking code, first name, and last name. You can find your booking code on your e-ticket or confirmation email. Just copy the code, paste it into the check-in form, enter your name, and then tap check-in. And that's it. After completing the steps, you'll receive your boarding pass, which you can download or save to your phone. And that's how to check in online on Swiss Air. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.